The process of website development is intricate and involves various stages such as planning, design, coding, testing, and launch. These stages often necessitate an in-depth understanding of web development concepts such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or other programming languages. Unfortunately, not everyone has the capacity to acquire this knowledge, as it is not a skill that can be mastered overnight. Fortunately, platforms like Wix have made it easier for anyone to create a website. Wix is an easy-to-use web development platform that provides a plethora of tools and features to help users create a website. However, its web development nature can still be confusing to some users. For this reason, many Wix developers offer their services to individuals who want to create a website but lack the time or expertise to do so from scratch. Despite this, some companies overlook the value of hiring these developers, wrongly thinking it is unnecessary. In our latest blog, we explain 5 reasons why you should work with a Wix website developer.